electric.
Yeah.
And I told them it's here.
Told them it's 168.
I was like, okay, I'm a different building.
Yeah.
I was like, where's Jabbar here? Can we help you with something?
No, I'm already. We're doing the last look just now.
Ooh.
Lekker.
Yeah? You want slippers as well?
No, I'm not going off. I'm cold. Mooi hoor.
Ja.
Did you work on that? Did you have to work today?
Yeah.
Nice setup, man.
Yeah.
Holy shit. What is this desktop? I know it's
11
oh,
Extra monitor.
It's supposed to do. It's supposed to be other way around.
Whoa, what is dit? Is it ook voor jouw werk?
Aesthetic.
Is this for your work as well?
Aesthetic.
This some aesthetic.
Speak guys.
Oh no, because the screen. I have WhatsApp, Discord, and then music. But I'm gonna buy a laptop because
So
if
you
I
didn't-
go to Korea, I want a laptop.
Mac or Windows?
Windows. No, Mac. Apple.
Apple.
iOS. Since I have my iPhone now.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Cool.
Alright.
The neighborhood looks good.
What are these albums?
I think they are books.
Chihuahua.
JYP.
Lumpia, aardballen, kimchi beef, salade en hier is een wat zure pittige komkommersalade. Alright. En die is een beetje zuurig. Deze, oké. Ik heb daar citroen en honing. Citroen en bloemen. Do you want a vest?
Vest?
Yeah, because it's
What?
Oh, for your wife.
for your wife. You sure?
Sure.
Okay.
Totally fine with that.
Yeah, 5-star experience, man.
Mashallah.
Het is echt een flex als je goed kan worden.
Next time adobo, so I'll have a full Filipino meal.
Oh, I like that.
Well, yeah, you can also cook like Filipino stuff.
Yeah. Last week I actually learned a new recipe.
How to say in Jollibee? I ate the how to say burger steak just
Yeah,
because of the
I made
gravy.
it last
Yeah.
time.
The burgers.
The burger steak.
No
I
way.
made it.
No,
we went.
wait,
we went
wait.
to London just for that.
He really literally
Really?
eats the burger steak in Jollibee all the time.
Wait. I don't think the picture was
How do you? Where do you even find that?
posted on TikTok.
Oh, echt?
TikTok. I need to sign up to this TikTok thing. Ooh, come
like the
on,
extra-
come
Maybe
on.
it's with the rice.
Oh my god.
It's good.
I want that.
Can hide it.
No, now I want to try that too. Was het makkelijk?
That's
What's inside it?
Coriander, carrots, and meat. Beef.
Oh my god.
Is it okay if I put this in YouTube?
Yeah, no worries.
I have a new content.
Hoe vind je dat?
Yes,
You didn't put rice in? Daar, rice. Moet ik het doen?
It's like hotel life in here.
If you want, I can put the table here.
No.
Just
It's good. It's perfect.
It's Korean.
Oh, and it's not only just for rice?
Yeah, you can make forwards and
The Korean.
This is the one I sell in
Yeah?
Balui. Yeah.
Okay, Joe.
Till next
Yep.
time.
Thanks so much.
Yes, no worries.
Thanks for the
Till
food.
next time.
Next time back to next week.
Tot snel.
En als jullie thuis zijn.
Ja.
Zeker, zeker. Tot snel. Joe.
Yes.
Bye, job.
Druk je in de ouders.
Ja.
Till next time.
Ja.